So what is this app called TALKIE, Soulful AI, AI friend? Is it better than Chai app or Character AI app? So as you can see, it's quite high in the entertainment charts right now. And it's basically one of those apps where you can chat with AI characters, but it has a different design. It's a bit more visual. There are more characters. And yes, that's like the difference. Unleash a universe of AI personalities, embark on imaginative journey with a diverse range of AI personalities, from crafting your ideal AI companion to immersive role-playing and treasure meaningful moments. You can check out the massive lineup of AI personalities, chat with famous virtual characters or create your own. Yeah, by the way, you can also create your own. Explore, connect, and tap into the potential of AI personalities like never before. Build your own AI, dive into AI Wonderland. So yeah, then you can just open it
Sorry,
up,
miss, didn't see.
and then you can just see all these characters like that,
Um,
which are available. You know, you just swipe around, and then a lot of these characters
Hey,
are
baby, how was
anime-like.
your...
And another thing I
hi.
noticed is that there are a lot of
You're
voice
the
messages instantly. So that's another cool addition. I'm not sure if it's possible in character AI. So then you can just select some character, for
D.
example,
Hi. You're not going.
and then you can just follow it. Then you can just swipe up, and then you can just see some recent Talkie shops. Then you can see some information, some exclusive cards. Then if you want to send a message, you can just tap something and send a message. You can also see some suggestions depending on the reply. But sometimes these suggestions are not that good. So then you can see it like that. You can then rate answers. You can suggest to regenerate it. And that's basically the idea of it. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Then you can just open it up, and again, you can just see all of that. I'm not sure if you can block or report the character, but that's what it is. Then you just have your profile in the top left. That's just your profile name. You can just change it to whatever you like, because by default it's just that's what it is. Then you can just yeah, change your profile picture as well. Then you can see your chats. If you chatted, I don't know if you can hide these chats. Then you can see all the profiles you are following. I'm not sure if you if you just, yeah, you can easily unfollow just like that. And then you can also share this character with your friends. So that's what it is. Then there are notifications. Then there is your wallet where you can just buy some gems, probably to have unlimited chats. You can buy 180 diamonds or gems for $2. So there's that. Then there is Talkie Plus. That's like a premium subscription where you can get free Talkie gems every day. If the subscription is $10 per month. You can also get extra inspiration option, more free gotchas, more Tokyo jams, enjoy faster AI responses, customize better AI responses, priority chat privilege, so that you also can get. Then there are your cards. That's maybe you can, you know, as you have in other personalities, you can get them. Then there are settings in top right. There is like this setting where you can just, it's enabled by default, by the way, that you can set to for AI to proactively send messages. Then there is this some kind of Toki creator certificate. I have no idea what that is, but yeah. So yeah, how to apply for yellow label. Uh, is there on the web? No, on the web is not available, but it's available on Android, so it's good. So due to technical limitations, AI's memory has a maximum capacity for conversation. The AI may forget content that hasn't been brought up recently. So that's what it is. And also, if you're not happy with the app or you just want to delete your account, you can just tap here and request account deactivation, and then just tap on deactivate an account. That's why, yeah, it's easy, you know, especially in these apps, you always want to be sure that there is some kind of option to delete your data. So that then you can just delete your data like this. So there you have it. So yeah, hope that is helpful. That's the app. Give it a try. Compared to Chai app or Character AI, Chai Character are much more advanced app as of yet. They have bigger features like bot ratings. You can much more easily create your own chatbots and send all these conversations. This app is not like that, but it's also quite visual as well. There are all these generated images. It looks kind of also easy to use and easy to get started. Yeah, and by the way, of course, you can create your own chatbot. The cool thing is that you can just upload your own photo, and based on that photo, it will generate some AI image. So you can, for example, choose it like that or choose some other image, and then it will create bot image, and then you can just proceed with the prompts and some other characters descriptions, where you can just set them up like that. And that's basically how you will be able to create your own chatbot. So for example, you can just select this card, and then you can just pick it, and then you can just select your TALKIE avatar, TALKIE face, and then just proceed with it. And then that's how you create your own chatbot. So if you want to create your own chatbot, then you just select create my TALKIE, and then you can just select TALKIE avatar, and then of course then you can just select those, tap next. Sometimes there can be some network errors, and then like you just but sometimes it works fine. So you just give the name. How would you this bot? You can attach a different voice. You can add this voice, and then you can add style, and then you can also automatically generate content right from the image, and then you can also just tap next, and then you can just create.
Hey, hey.
And then you can just start chatting with your own chatbot. It's pretty cool. Um, so yeah, all of those things, and then then your bot will appear here in your sidebar. You can just tap on it. You can edit it. Your talk is under review, so you can do it later. Exclusive cards, you can just create some cards. You can add some details about the background, environment, decorations, and more. And that's basically, yeah, what it is. And that's how you create those cards. And then, you can have some collections probably. Maybe you can just sell them or monetize as a creator. So that's kind of a cool feature. Again, if you just want to start all over, just tap on your sidebar in top left, and then you will be able to create my talkie from here. So that's what it is. There is a similar feature in Chai app or Character AI apps as well, where you can create bots. However, I'm not sure if in this app you have all the advanced kind of like rankings and all of that, but it's a start.